Hello, my dear friends. So today's video is very interesting. Today we are going to learn how to make a nose, human nose, by using pencil. So let's start the video. I'm requesting everyone to watch the full video so that you can learn how to make the nose, because so many of my friends requested me to help me on this particular subject, so how to make a nose. So I know this is a little bit difficult. If people face little bit difficulty when they going to do the nose. So this is my request. Please follow the instructions. So first I am doing the shape of the nose, the human nose. So make this basic shape of the nose. So this is the upper part, bottom part, and this is the upper part. And here I am going to make a triangle. This is the basic. You can take a screenshot. So this side is the side part, another side, and this is another side part of the nose. So this is the part, the nose tip, and this is the nose pad. So this part till this particular area, like from here to there, we have to make the straight line in between of the nose to make it symmetry, both sides equal, same. Now you can see there is a circle, small circle is there. Okay, you can take another screenshot. Now we have to make the nose pad hole here and same here, like this, and then the other part of the nose. If you follow this technique, your nose will look realistic. This is the basic shape. I didn't do anything like any detailing, nothing till now. Now I am going to do a little bit detailing. I change the pencil. First I am going to make the inside of the nose pad little dark, and here dark too. Then according to the nose shape, you have to make the sharpness of the nose tip here. It depends to man, woman to woman. I am making the basic normal average design of the nose, the maximum nose. You can see this from here. I am requesting everyone, please do not make a single dark line, because you have to be sure, then you can do the dark line. Before that, don't go for dark lines, it will spoil your painting. So you have to make the bottom part of the nose a little bit dark to make it more realistic. Just imagine your nose. My best suggestion is just take a small mirror and watch carefully your nose shape, and then go for it. It will help you a lot to make it more realistic nose. But what the technique I shown to you, this is very important, and it will give you the best result. If you're seeking about realism, you have so many time. You can do the realistic shading, everything. But before that, you have to know the basic of the organ. If this is nose, if this is eyes, if this is ear, whatever it is, you should know the basic shape, the basic fundamental, basic important. Little darkness at the bottom part of the nose. I think you get my point. So this is the easiest way to make the nose, realistic nose. There's different type of noses are there and techniques are there. People followed so many techniques, their own choice. But for the average people who really want to be a realistic artist or like pencil sketch, but they are facing some problem to make of like noses, ears. So this video is particular for them. This is not the single technique, but the easiest way to do the nose. So you guys can see how I make the nose, realistic nose in front view. Same thing in profile, front 3/4, back 3/4. But slowly I'm going to do each and every single step. But today I just share how to make a nose in front view by pencil. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please do share and do practice. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great night and have a great day. Take care. Happy painting. Please stay tuned. Do subscribe the channel and watch the full video. Please press the bell icon so that whenever I am going to upload a video, you will get a notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye.